भारत सरकार निरंतर काम कर रही है.
Amidst havoc caused by heavy rainfall and floods across Meghalaya, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma along with Home Minister Lakshman Rimbui today assessed the situation in East Jaintia Hills district along with the Deputy Commissioner as well as other officials. He assessed the damages while discussing ways to chart out actions for the future. He inspected the NH06 at Lumshnong and took stock of the damages caused by the landslides along the national highway. Inspection of the diversion road via Star Cement premises, which is the alternate route used for vehicles during restoration works for NH06, was also conducted. He interacted with the stranded truck drivers along the highway and instructed the Deputy Commissioner to ensure supply of food items to the stranded people.
All efforts are being made to restore the entire road and get the accessibility through. But as you can see that there's a huge challenge. The rain is not stopping. What we had has come down, but it's still raining quite heavily. And so therefore we are hopeful that as the rain recedes and as the efforts are made to divert the flow of the water from the areas which are affecting the road connectivity, we should be able to restore some parts of the road in the next 24 hours.
To the public and also to the drivers of the vehicles stuck on the road. So we need to take extra care of these two things. If there are any areas which are completely cut off and require airlifting of food grains, do let us know, because we have been in touch with Air Force, and whatever needs to be done, we will be doing in order to get food items even to locations which are completely cut off by road.
Meghalaya